Okay, good evening. Yo, what is happening everybody and welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2 but this time we're going to play with my friend Clarence. So, nag-start na kami ni Clarence maglaro ng Left 4 Dead 2 from the previous chapters that we've already played. Now, napaisip kami, what if i-record nga naman namin ang aming gameplay? For the content, yes. And now, pag nag-start ang aming recording ay magsisimula siya sa The Barns. Ayun ay parte ng chapter ng Dark Carnival. Okay, so, without further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this bro, Clarence, thank you for joining in this gameplay and I really do appreciated our previous gameplays and I'm really sorry din sa naging issue, okay? Now, let us proceed to the gameplay, bro. Good luck to us. Alright, nasa Barnes na tayo guys ngayon. Let's go, let's go. Ang dami naman ng zombies din eh. Still the same, ang daming zombies sa barn. Tara, let's go. Oh. Ilang bro, diretso lang. I got your back. Ay, nabaril ba kita? Sorry. Sorry, nabaril ata kita. Ah, yes. Alam na natin to eh, ano? Alam na natin yan. Tara, let's go. Oh, okay. I'm coming. Ah, this reminds me of my childhood again. Oh, okay. Bro, I got your back. One dead charger. Whew. Oh, that's our helicopter again. Nagets ko na doon pala tayo pupunta mamaya. Tara, let's go. May tank na naman. Uy! Yan, may tank. Layo dyan. Ge. Pinaghanda na namin sa Giant. Kala nyo, ha? I'm not going to waste my time in here again. Tara, tatakbo na tayo. Speedrun tayo. And nandun na ulit tayo sa Barnes. There's nothing here. Oh. Pills. Bibigyan pa kita sana eh. But anyways, let us proceed. Yan yung mga zombies sa bubong. Over the roof. Yes, over the roof. May charger na naman. Woohoo! Bro, behind your back. Ang daming zombies. Wow. Nagcha-chop-chop siya. Alright. Here we are again. Ang daming mga nakaabang na zombies. Okay. Oh! Okay, so pipindutin nga pala uli natin para mag-open ang gates. Wait. Ay, mukha yata si Clarence na pipindot ah. Okay, pindot na ni Clarence. Nice one, bro. Mag-abang na lang tayo sa mga zombies at magkakarami na hindi eh. Hala, wala tayong bomba. Okay, we are toast here. Wala tayong bomba. Oh my goodness. Tsaka wala ding gas tank. Putik na ayan. Wait, wala din yung ngayon. Nakapagtaka, bakit parang walang nasugod na zombie din eh? Kung ano? Wait nga ba wala nasugod na zombie din eh? Huling lawan natin din, daming zombie eh. Okay. Ngayon sila nagsisipuntahan sa atin. Wait lang. Putik. Yahoo! Hoy, tulong. Inabangan din pala tayo ng mga zombies doon. Oh my goodness. Okay, hindi mauubos sa mga zombie din eh. Putik! Tulong. Oh, thanks bro, thanks. Ito nga pala hindi mauubos sa mga zombies din eh. Kailangan natin mag-push forward. Sige, taga lang na taga. Diretso lang. Madali natin ito matatapos pag dumiretso lang tayo. Ang dami! Kala mo yung mga guyam. Sige. Sige. Ano, ha? Pasok agad. Pasok, guys. Okay. And, tapos natin ng Barnes. Bilis ah. Last part, the concert. Mas masaya pala maglaro pag kami kasama, no? This is so enjoyable, guys, okay? Okay, Clarence has the most kills of special zombies. That's great. We are all prepared, guys. Let us now proceed to the final part. Ready?
You guys ready?
Tara, let's go. I-speedrun natin to kung wala diyang kubeta. Beware of bathrooms. Tara lang, push forward. So good lang tayo, bro. So good lang.
Reloading.
Bro, sa likod madami.
Reloading.
What if pindutin ko na agad ang lights, ano? Yan. I got the lights. Doon na tayo sa baba. Okay, nandun na ating mga gamit, guys. Oo, magseset tayo ng traps. Ulit. O, yan. Pantakas natin to.
Guitar here.
Alright. Ready, ready? Ready, guys?
Ready for this?
Oh, Molotov. Sakto. Ay, hindi. Yun, pipe bomb. Ha? Ready, ready?
Alright, let's roll.
Bro, i-start ko na to, ha? Oh, get ready, guys. Pipinutin ko na to. Ayan na. Bro, get ready. Ayan na mga zombies natin. Oh, dahan-dahan sa pagputok dyan sa paligid. Alright. Nagpapatugtog na ulit tayo. At natrack ang mga fans ng ng Midnight Riders. Okay, may smoker, may smoker. Ang dami naman ng zombie din sa gilid. Bro, where are you? Ay, yun pala, okay. Naalala ko nga pala si Coach Dini kumanta. Let's press this again. Yan, sige. Nang masunog kayo. Di ba? Effective. Putik! Napapaligiran tayo ng zombies. Okay, Miss Peter. Tayo dyan. Yep, that one is mine. Bro, where are you going? Okay, bala. Kailangan natin bala. May tank. May tank na naman, guys. Ay, yan ang tank! Oh my goodness. Hala. Kill the tank before the chopper lands. Oh, putik! Wait bro, on the way na me. Putik na Jackie to. Patay ng tank? Okay, the tank is dead. Patay na guys ang tank. Oh, kailangan natin to ngayon. Bibit-bitin ko na yan, just in case. Oh, putik. Elise, nagpapadali ka naman sa mga zombies. Ay, no. Okay. Nice one. Woo! Ang dami naman ng zombies. Miss Peter, pinakita ko ng dudura eh. Ay, yan. Woo! Okay. We're okay. Bro, are you okay? Okay, he's good. Hindi ko na matamaan. Sorry. Boomer. May Jackie. Bro, bit nyo ginamit to. Sayang. Pang-escape pa naman sana natin yan. Pero, yahay na. Sige. May pipe bomb naman tayo eh. That's okay. May smoker. That's our smoker. Bro, ito may pipe bomb din eh ah.
Pipe bomb here.
May hunter. Patay niya yan. Oo nga, ito na yung nagsisignal. Alright, the chopper is coming. Be prepared guys. Bro, where are you? Alright, Nandun ba siya? Yan ang tank. Ratratin nyo yan. Patayin nyo yan. Patayin nyo yan. Ratratin nyo. Nice one, nice one. Okay, we're ending this now. Nasusunog ako. Where's the chopper? Okay, yan ang helicopter. GG bro, let's go. Tata na. Ay putik, huwag ka naman dun. Naku, kung nasaan pa may tank, doon pa nagland. Putik na yan. Siya, patayin nyo muna ang tank. Patayin nyo yan, patayin nyo yan. Teka, gagis ako para sa mga zombies. Okay, okay. Tara na, let's go, patayin ang tank. Let's go. Pasok, pasok na, pasok. Okay, I'll take the first hit. Patayin nyo yung clown. Pasok na guys. Okay, we just ended the Dark Carnival chapter with our friend Clarence. We just finished the Dark Carnival chapter again guys. So again, thank you to our friend Clarence. Bro, maming salamat sa iyong time. I really do appreciated that. That is a great gameplay.